So today is March 16 and how many days left before our trip to the Philippines? March 16. Han, ano na lang Han? 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So I just want to answer the question because I have posted a video on Facebook, everywhere, Instagram, here on YouTube, a short reel that he was applying for a visa to the Philippines. And there are some of you who were asking, why does he need to apply for a visa going to the Philippines when it's already free visa for Indian nationals going to the Philippines? So the free visa or visa on arrival for Indians is only for 14 days. We applied for a visa because we are staying in the Philippines for more than 14 days. That's why we need to apply for a visa. It's either sticker visa or e-visa. If you wanted for a sticker visa, you need to go to the Philippine Embassy in New Delhi or the Consulate of the Philippines in Kolkata, in Chennai, and the other one is Mumbai, I think. So, doon ka mag-a-apply ng visa if gusto mo talaga yung sticker visa, yung nakatatak sa passport. But if you opt for an e-visa, you can just apply online. Medyo pricey lang yung e-visa compared sa regular na sticker visa. But what we were thinking was, if Abhi is going to travel to Kolkata Consulate, he needs to book his train ticket, he needs to stay there for 1 night, and then return back here in Patna. So, the expense that he will spend in going to Kolkata to apply for the visa is same sa additional na babayaran for the e-visa. So, they are charging a convenience fee if you are going to apply for an e-visa. So we paid 6,240 for an e-visa. The convenience fee is 2,400. So the regular visa is only 6,240 less 2,400 yung convenience fee. So yung regular na visa lang guys is 3,840. So if you're going to apply to the embassy or to the consulate, you only have to pay for 3,800. But we opted for e-visa kasi mas convenient. You just have to apply online. So we applied for e-visa because you will be staying for a little longer in the Philippines. We are going to enjoy our Philippines trip, guys. Because for me, it's been 4 years na hindi kami nakauwi, kami ni Mishka. And for Abhi, he hasn't been to the Philippines since 2019. So 7 years. So we wanted to enjoy our Philippines trip. That's why we made sure that our plane ticket won't be wasted if we'll go home for like 2 weeks only, and then we'll have to return back here in India. So now is March 16 and we applied for the visa last week, Tuesday. Today is the 6th day that we are waiting for the approval. Until now, it's still pending, for assessment. So we are waiting for that. They said that up to 15 days yung waiting time. Currently, we are still waiting for the visa. So enjoyin natin yung bakasyon natin sa Pilipinas. Kasi for Abhi guys, he came to the Philippines for 7 days. Tapos nagka-issue sa kanyang ticket that he needed to rebook yung ticket kasi parang na-canceled yung flight, something. So he added another 3 days. So 10 days lang. And he wasn't really able to explore the Philippines. We only went to Sipalay, few hours sa Don Salvador Benedicto. And then, that's it. Nakapunta lang siya ng SM. Parang SM lang yung napuntahan niya ng mall. He wasn't really able to explore so much sa lugar namin. And at this time, siguro mas ma-enjoy ni Abhi since hindi na siya nasa-stress ba? Like before, nung nasa trabaho pa si Abhi, even if we are going for trips or kung saan man kami nagbabakasyon, So, sobrang ganda ng lugar, family time sana. But he was not able to fully enjoy our vacation anywhere because of, constant na may tumatawag. Even if hindi yung from the office, pero yung mga customers, ang daming tumatawag. So, hindi niya masyadong na-enjoy yung mga bakasyon niya. So, we are all excited for our trip. Especially si Mishka. Excited din siya to see the cousins. So, I'm not sure if makikilala pa niya yung kanyang mga pinsan talaga sa Pilipinas. But, whenever we do video call, she's seeing her cousins. So, we're just counting the days. 2 weeks from now. So, how are you feeling now? We are still waiting for the visa.
Excited.
Can we check or we'll check later for the visa?
No, just now I have checked earlier.
So, still for
Still
assess.
pending. It's not even 10 a.m. Han, or just now 10 a.m. They will not be opening visa office for us now.
I kept on asking him every day.
You will keep on asking even midnight. That can you check the status?
I'm worried. Because this is going to be our first trip to the Philippines.
But I'm just worried about the tension in Middle East, that it should not escalate. Anyway, that side, which side we are traveling, it will not be impacted, but still.
Yeah. Let's hope for the best. Preparation for our trip, we were planning to get Mishka the flu vaccine, and then meron din siyang isang vaccination na hindi na bigay sa kanya last month. So sabi ng pedia na before kami umalis, gawin namin yung vaccination. So after nung vaccination niya last month, ayaw niya na magpa-vaccine. So now, the two cousins are convincing her na pumayag mamaya na magpa-vaccine. Are you ready for vaccination later, Mimi? So you will become strong? So that you will not get sick in the Philippines. Last time, when we were in the Philippines, if you remember, guys, Mishka got so high fever in the Philippines. Yung grabe yung rashes niya. As in, your cheeks were so red like that. So now we have to get injection.
One time only.
One time only, Daddy. Oo, one time only. Last month kasi dalawang injection sa dalawang paa. So, ayan, they are still convincing her. So that later, if ma-convince siya ng dalawang pinsan, they will have pizza party later, ha?
को मना लो भी वैक्सीनेशन के लिए तो पिज्जा भी मिलेगा तो प्लान तैयार है तुम्हारा
Convince Mimi.
ऑफ कोर्स हाँ मीठी मीठी विल आल्सो हैव इंजेक्शन राइट
Last time sabay sila eh. So,
only one.
yeah, only one.
मीठी को भी इंजेक्शन मिलेगा करेक्ट
उसको 2 मिलेगा और इसको 1 मिलेगा.
हाँ मीठी को 2 मिलेगा इंजेक्शन
Okay. And you, how many you want? One only.
0.
Miti, tell her na. Or else you cannot have pizza party later.
Okay.
Okay, Mimi.
ओके
Miti, is it? She said okay, Miti.
प्रॉपर्ली
We'll see who will be the winner.
Which?
Huh? Then you have to convince Mimi.
she has to I told her that she will pretend that she is getting injection and she will cry
Okay.
so Miti, how you will cry
How you will cry later?
what is your plan what you will do
I should cry.
no, first English how what is your plan what you will do
How you will cry
What
cry
you will
when
do?
we'll go
First
to
you
the
will go in
doctor.
room, then daddy will bring you and you just say you just cry.
Cry,
okay?
cry. How cry? Sample how you will cry? More. Okay.
You have to pretend. Okay?
Ayaw ni Miss ka na siya lang mag-isa yung masasaktan. So we are convincing Didi to act. Annie is convincing her outside.
Because if she will not get vaccination, so nobody can have pizza. So all of their pizza it has take.
Huh? It's okay to cry, but you should get injection. Okay? It's okay to cry, but you'll have injection. Sinama namin si Mami guys para mag-check ng karahi kasi may nagpapasabay. Medium size and small size yung gusto niya. That is size 5 to size 7. Gusto niya kasi yung klase ng karahi na meron dito sa India. So, magtanong kami if magkano. Nakabili kami ng dalawa sa ating pasabay order. So, dalawa yung kanyang request. Dalawang karahe, aluminum na karahe. Yung Indian style na lutuan ba. So, dalawa ito. More than 2 kilos yung weight nitong dalawa. And then, bumili din ako nito. Dadalhin ko kina mama. Kasi parang nasanay na din ako yung sa ganito na luwag. So, yan para to sa bahay. What
Hey,
is it?
surprise for you.
Come here.
And
Daddy
surprise
got
for
something.
mommy.
I have been asking Daddy for this. I have tried this at Harsh's place.
Also, Mira.
This is for you, for 2 of us. Jealous na.
That's why I was calling you now, because I have kept that surprise for you. But you went upstairs, I given it to mommy.
I come back by myself.
Because it was for you. How many times did I call you? Tell me.
Daddy is cooking our dinner. What is for dinner, Daddy?
Chicken butter masala.
Chicken butter masala.
Relax.
We have this butter chicken mix. Here's our marinated chicken. Sabi ko kay Abby ako magluluto. Sabi niya siya daw. He's the chef for tonight. So, dapat today kami magpapavaccine sa kanya, no? So, this weekend na lang kami magpapavaccine sa kanya, Friday. So, if in case lagnatin siya, Saturday, Sunday, meron pa siyang time para gumaling ba. And then, 23, may exam pa sila ni Mishka, guys. So, next week, patatapusin namin yung kanyang exam. And then, after nun, flight na namin. So, kaya din, end of March yung pinili namin na flight pa uwi ng Pilipinas. Kasi gusto namin na matapos talaga ni Mishka yung school year before yung pag-uwi namin sa Pilipinas. And then, dito kasi sa India, iba yung system ng kanilang school year. So, after ng end of school year ngayon, so, matatapos sila 27, no? And then, first week or second week of April, start na naman ng another school year. Tapos, in between, like middle of summer talaga, June or July ata, yun yung kanilang summer break. Pag sobrang init na, tsaka sila nagsa-summer break. And then, pag Christmas time naman, or December, winter break naman kasi sobrang lamig. So, yun yung kaibahan ng kanilang education system dito kumpara sa atin sa Pilipinas na sa atin, pag natapos yung school year, meron tayong April, May na holiday. Pag magkasama yung tatlo, maingay talaga yung bahay namin. So, yun. Patatapusin talaga namin yung school year ni Mishka before yung aming pag-alis. And then, yung next school year, she will be a little late. Ito yung binili ni Daddy. I really like this. Lutuin muna natin yung ating marinated chicken. Tsaka natin ilagay yung butter chicken mix. Tomato puree. This is the butter chicken mix with milk. You have added milk, right? Milk and the butter chicken mix. Add more milk. Need to add water or milk, depende sa inyo. Water is fine. We got orders from the Philippines ng different kinds of masala, including this one, butter chicken masala. So if you purchased one, ganito lang yung paggamit. Just mix it with milk, or if wala kayong milk, you can add water. And instead na like marinated chicken, or you can just buy the lechon manok and then put that in the gravy. Magiging ano na yan, butter chicken, correct?
Yes, whatever Philippine style manok is there, grilled
Lechon
one,
manok.
lechon manok,
Yes.
just cut it, add that is ready to
I'm
eat.
also excited to try that in the Philippines. Yung lechon manok yung gamit. Kasi ito palagi yung ginagawa namin, diba? Yung marinated chicken na siya and then mixed with the gravy or the butter chicken masala. Abby is now adding butter. Abby just added the chicken.
Boneless.
Boneless chicken. Meron kaming delivery from upstairs. What is this? Chickpeas. Chila. Green peas.
Yeah, green.
Not peel.
No, chickpeas. Luto ni Mami Chila. So, temptation. You cook or Mommy has cooked?
Mommy.
Mommy has cooked. We have butter chicken, honey.
I'm done, Mommy.
Good na. Good. Ito na yung ating butter chicken. Yummy. Exciting. Magluluto lang ako ng chapati kasi mas masarap chapati yung partner. Magluluto lang ako ng chapati and then our dinner is ready. So excited to eat butter chicken. Overtime. 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 So, for her examination, meron siyang pointers. Ito yung kanilang pointers na kasulat sa kanilang diary. For English, learn the first sound of the word. Ladder. Watermelon. Map. Bat. Pin. And hen. Okay, what is the first letter sound of the word ladder?
Ladder is
La? Sleepy. Inaantok na ako, guys.
ladder is
Ladder. Ladder. L. Very good. What about watermelon? Watermelon.
la
Watermelon.
V
What's we? What letter is
ba
watermelon?
P
Watermelon.
water V
Double
W
W. Map.
ma A
Map.
ma ma M
Very good. Bat.
B
Very good. Pin. Pin. Pin.
P
Pin. P. Hen.
H
H.
H
For math, revise before and after number from 1 to 20 and backwards counting from 20 to 11. Can you do backward counting from 20? 20,
20 19 18 17 16 50
15,
50
15,
15 14 13 12 11
Good job! Okay, before and after naman. What is before 3?
3 before is 4
Before.
2
After?
4
Very good. What is before 9?
9 is 8
Very good. Before 5?
5 is 4
Very good. Before 13?
13 is 12
Good job. Before 16?
16 is 50
15.
15
Okay. Before
Do you know before 15?
14?
No.
So what is it?
20.
No! Sa kanyang maths, kayang-kaya niya nang gawin yung kanyang mga homework. So, hindi ako nagkakaproblema sa kanya sa math. EVS. Learn page number 2. Ang dami naming i-review for her EVS. Familiarization lang naman kasi na ano niya na to, na memorize niya na to last time. So, ano na lang namin. Review na lang. So, say goodnight to them.
Can I first fiddle the trees? Then I
Okay.
will...
Okay.
Mommy, first you say that I will hear you when you are done. I will say. First, can I say?
I told you already earlier the name.
But I know remember.
Ashoka tree.
I will do when you're done.
Okay, Ashoka tree, neem tree, banyan tree,
No, Ashoka tree, neem tree, rubber tree, banyan tree, palm tree, coconut tree, tamarind tree, cotton plant tree,
Cotton plant only. If it's
Cotton
plant,
plant.
you don't need to put tree at the
Cotton
end.
plant.
Mm.
Bamboo.
Not bamboo.
Bamboo.
Bamboo plant.
Bamboo.
We still have a lot to review, so we'll say goodnight na, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
And like and subscribe our channel. So click the bell and the like. So bye bye.
Good night.
Good night.